Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby213 coming to you live and in color from the homestead. Today, on this Taste Test Tuesday, we're going to try out the new Mountain Dew Ice. Splash of real juice. Great. Lemon lime. So this is basically Sprite with Mountain Dew. Nutritional facts. Goodness there. So again, I'm not a real fan of Mountain Dew, but I'll try anything citrusy, so let's give this a shot. Already smells like Mountain Dew from here. Ugh. Kind of wanted a little bit more lemon and lime than Mountain Dew. Well, it definitely tastes like Mountain Dew a lot. And really, oh, that's all it is. Mountain Dew, and then you get a little bit of lemon and lime at the end. It's okay, I guess. It just tastes like regular Mountain Dew to me with a little bit of lemon. Not really much of a difference. So what do you smell again?
I smell Sprite, but then when you take a swig of it, it does have that Mountain Dew. It overpowers it a little bit more than that lemon zest zing, I guess.
Yeah, the Mountain Dew is a little bit too much there.
I like it though.
Okay, so there you have it. Disclaimer, I'm not a Mountain Dew fan. I like lemon and lime, but like Grace said, it's just a little bit too much Mountain Dew. It just tastes like Mountain Dew, and then you just threw the little bit of lime at the end. So, unfortunately for this product, just about every other Mountain Dew, I give this okay, so this is a Lego set that my wife and I did. This is the modular home. Kind of looks like the Shetty. Comes with the car here, electrical car. Comes with this ugly dog with bug eyes. Look at this. Is this supposed to be a dog? I guess it's like a trampoline. And this dude right here has a little controller for his drone. There's a little helicopter. Pretty cool, huh? Solar panel. I definitely need some of those. Little beds here. A little girl chilling. So pretty simple. Nice Lego set. I got for being such a cool guy. Alrighty, folks. So that's all I have for this week. I thank y'all for watching. Please leave your suggestions and comments below. I'll see you next time.